Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through what ConvertKit is and how to use it. If you'd like to follow along, check the description for a free trial link. ConvertKit is an email marketing platform for creators like bloggers, authors, and online entrepreneurs. It helps you grow your email list, engage your audience, and automate your marketing. First, visit the ConvertKit website and create your account. Complete your profile and explore the dashboard. To collect subscribers, go to the Forms tab. Choose a form type, customize it, and embed it on your site. You can also use landing pages to promote offers or lead magnets. Select a template, personalize it, and share the link. Next, manage your subscribers. You can manually add them, import from a CSV file, or capture new subscribers through your forms and landing pages. To automate emails, go to the Automations tab. Create workflows by choosing a trigger like subscribing to a form, then add actions like sending emails or tagging subscribers. Use sequences for structured campaigns like welcome or nurture emails. Compose your emails, set timings, and include images, links, or reusable snippets. For one-off messages, use broadcasts. Compose, select your audience, and send immediately or schedule it. Finally, explore paid recommendations to promote products or services and earn revenue. Add details like description, affiliate links, and images to make your promotions effective. And that's it! ConvertKit makes email marketing simple, automated, and powerful for creators. Don't forget to check the description for my free webinar on growing your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. Thanks for watching.